Imagine holding an iPhone that suddenly doubles in size. Not next year. Not in some distant future. Right now. Well, sort of. Because what you're looking at isn't actually Apple's foldable iPhone. It's a device that accidentally reveals what Apple's biggest smartphone revolution could look like. And after spending days testing this foldable phone, I discovered something shocking. The future iPhone might completely change the way we use smartphones forever. And honestly, some of the things I found were so addictive that going back to a normal phone suddenly felt old. Today, I'm going to show you 10 incredible discoveries that reveal exactly what Apple's foldable future could feel like. And trust me, discovery number 7 completely changed my mind. Let's begin. The very first thing I noticed was the size. Most people assume a foldable phone would be huge and bulky. That's what I thought too. But the moment I held it in my hand, everything changed. When folded shut, it felt surprisingly normal. In fact, it was actually easier to hold than many large flagship phones. The narrow design made reaching every corner of the screen effortless. Checking messages, scrolling social media, watching short videos. Everything felt natural. And that instantly made me realize something. Apple's biggest challenge isn't building a foldable. It's making people forget they're using one. And this device comes incredibly close. Now here's where things get interesting. Discovery number 2. The cover display. A lot of people think foldable phones force you to constantly open them. But that's not true at all. For quick tasks, the front screen is perfect. Replying to messages, checking notifications, watching short videos, browsing social media. The experience feels fast and convenient. Within a few hours, I found myself using the outer display almost like a normal phone. And then, whenever I needed something bigger, I simply unfolded it. Which leads to discovery number 3. The moment that completely changes everything. The big screen. This is where foldables become addictive. You open the device and suddenly it transforms from a phone into something closer to a tablet. Websites look bigger. Videos look bigger. Photos look bigger. Everything feels more immersive. Reading articles becomes enjoyable. Viewing documents becomes easier. And multitasking suddenly starts making sense. After using this large display, returning to a traditional smartphone felt strangely limiting. It's one of those experiences that sounds unnecessary. Until you try it. Then you immediately understand. But the real surprise came from discovery number 4. Video consumption. Most people buy bigger screens for movies. I expected that. What I didn't expect was how much it would improve everyday content. YouTube, TikTok, Instagram, X. Everything feels larger and more engaging. The screen creates a feeling that you're carrying a mini entertainment center in your pocket. And after a few days of use, I found myself watching far more content simply because it looked so good. Now let's talk about discovery number 5. The feature Apple fans have wanted for years. Real multitasking. Imagine watching a YouTube video while replying to emails. Imagine researching a product while comparing prices. Imagine messaging friends while browsing social media. All at the same time, without constantly switching apps. That's the magic of a foldable display. For years, smartphones have forced us to do one thing at a time. But foldables completely change that. And once you get used to it, it's surprisingly difficult to go back. Now here's where we reach discovery number 6. Gaming. I expected games to look better. I didn't expect them to feel completely different. The larger display creates a level of immersion that traditional smartphones simply cannot match. Controls have more room. Maps become easier to navigate. Text becomes easier to read. And games suddenly feel closer to handheld consoles than mobile apps. Whether it's racing games, shooters, or open-world adventures, everything feels more premium. And this is where I started understanding why so many people are excited about foldable devices. But discovery number 7 surprised me the most. The crease. You've probably seen it. That line running through the middle of foldable screens. For years, critics have pointed to it,